If AI has felt confusing or overwhelming, you're not alone. That's exactly why I created your first 30 days with AI, a free, structured roadmap designed to help you start calmly and confidently. As you can see here, the roadmap is broken into 4 simple weeks. In week 1, understanding AI, you'll learn what AI actually is and, just as importantly, what it isn't. That clarity alone removes a lot of fear and confusion. In week 2, learning one tool, we focus on just one AI tool, like ChatGPT, so you're not jumping between platforms or trying to learn everything at once. In week 3, practical use cases, you'll apply what you've learned to real-world tasks, things like drafting emails, summarizing information, or brainstorming ideas. And in week 4, building confidence, we focus on consistency, building simple habits so AI becomes a helpful tool in your everyday workflow. Unlike our other self-paced courses, this roadmap follows a weekly release schedule. Week 1 is available immediately. Then, each new week unlocks every 7 days. That pacing is intentional. It gives you time to understand the material, practice what you're learning, and build real confidence before moving forward. Each week includes a short guided lesson and a complimentary PDF. And in week 4, you'll receive practical takeaway resources you can continue using beyond the roadmap. No hype, no technical overwhelm, just a structured starting point. If you're ready to begin, you can enroll for free at aibeginner.net/start. I'll see you inside.